Question number 76. Spotting errors. If his address had known by me, I would have told you. So here in this, address is the receiver of the action. So had known should not be, it should be had been known. But even if it is in passive voice, we cannot take by here in this case. Why? Because so be forms plus known always takes to in passive voice. Now question number 77. The rest of the students have completed the task on time. The rest of the students. See, people think that rest is single, but here, when we get rest, the following, if it is an uncountable noun, take singular. If it is a countable noun in plural, take plural only. So there is no error in the sentence. Question number 78. Were I a doctor, I would treat him. See, basically, this is the advanced form of if I were a doctor. If I were a doctor is equals to were I a doctor. So there is no error in the were I a doctor. And when we get if plus subject plus V2 or were, the next half should be would be even. Even in the next half, there is would be even. So there is no error even in this question. So it kills our time to find that there is no error. Whereas if there is some error, it is easy to find out that. Now question number 79, blanks. The country that doesn't involve as the affairs of other countries is the most neutral country. So basically involve should be followed by in. So involve in. Now question number 80. You are very strong physically dash you never do any work. So you are very strong physically. It is a positive, and you never do any work is a negative one. Whenever we get positive and negative, the conjunction should be but. So option B. Now question number 81. The IOC has dash a 5-year ban on the Russian weightlifter for being tested positive of the prohibited drug use. A. Sentenced. No. B. Imposed. Yes. So C. Granted. D. Awarded. So the importance is to be given to imposed. Sentenced to death. So court gives sentence, and award are granted or in positive sense. Here it is negative. So we take imposed. Now question number 82. It is one word substitute. A person sent on a mission, a misery. So it can be found in option C. Now in option A we can see that there is philogynist. So remember that it is not philogynist, it should be philogynist. So philogynist means lover of women. B. Fatal. Fatal means dreadful. Now C is emissary. Emissary is the answer here. The person sent on a mission. Now D is bigot. Bigot means fanatic and excessive enthusiastic in religious matters. Now question number 83. Person who writes from dictation from somebody. It is not dictation. It should be dictation. So A is Elysium. So Elysium means a place where there is perfect bliss. No, it cannot be taken. B is the correct answer. Amanuensis. So this is the word for person who writes from dictation. So C. What is C? Compare. Compare means one who introduces performing artists onto the stage. Now D. Bindery. Everyone knows. So this bindery. So the place where books are binded. Question number 84. The match will finish before the rain starts. See, when we get two past completed actions in the sense of first completed and the second completed, first completed action will be written in had plus V3, the second completed action will be written in V2. Here, there are two actions in which they are not past, but they are in the sense of first completed and second completed. If these actions are in past tense, then we would take that rule. I mean, first to be in had plus V3, second to be in V2. But as these are in future, so the first completed, the assumed first completed action should be in future perfect. Hence, option C is to be given priority. Now, question number 85. You are very lucky to have got the job, isn't it? So or is there, it should not be isn't it, it should be aren't you. So option B is the correct option. Now 86th question. When the water flows down the mountains, it creates a lot of derision. So actually, just because of the flow of water, if anything causes, it is said to be erosion. So option A is to be given priority, not any other thing. And if you take corrosion, what is the meaning of corrosion? It is a process where a refined metal will get into most chemically stable form. So even this cannot be taken. So flow of water causes erosion. So answer A is the correct option. Now question number 87. It is regarding active and passive voice. There is has granted. So has granted should be has or have been granted. So let's see this. So it can be found only in option D. Now question number 88. The pilot said to the passengers, unfortunately, we are going to land on water. So are going is there and the reporting verb is in past tense. When the reporting verb is in past tense, the verb should be changed to past. So are should be either was or were. So look at the option where we can find that. So only in option A we can find that the verb is in past tense. So the answer is A. Now question number 89. So it's regarding synonyms. Merely. What's the meaning of merely? Merely means only, purely, solely. So these are the synonyms. Let's see A. A is some, B is empty, C is only, D is complete. So the answer is only. Now question number 90. Deft. So what's the meaning of deft? It means adept. ADEPT means skilled, adroit, dexterous, or we can take nimble. It's active. Let's see the options. A is skillful. Yes, this is the correct option. Now 91. Antonyms. ONEROUS. Onerous. So what does it mean? So it means burdensome, something very difficulty, something which is very difficulty. Or we can take troublesome. So these are the synonyms for this. And we need to find antonym. A is given as straightforward. No. B, easily. Yeah. This is the correct option. So if something is burden to do, then antonym is it is easy to do. So 91 B. Now question number 92. Difficulty. Difficulty. Inimical. So what does it mean? Inimical means is just like enemy, right? So just a hint word for this. Inimical, its pronunciation is like enemy. So the meaning of this is harmful, detrimental. So option A is friendly. Yes, friend does good. So friendly is the antonym of 92. Next 93. Odd word. We need to find odd word. INTRINCIC. So it is given like this. It should not be CIC, it should be SIC. Now let's see B, impeach. So it is correct in spelling. C, ambiguous, even that is correct in spelling. D, reprimand, even that is correct in spelling. The odd word is A. Now question number 94. Drew and his fancy. He drew and his fancy means he used his imagination. So A is user is understanding, no. B is user is knowledge, no. C user is imagination. So C is the correct option. Question number 95. Rest on their laurels. So it means to be satisfied with one's achievements or accomplishments. So A is to be unhappy, no. B to be motivated, no. C to be impatient, no. D to be complacent. So D is the correct answer. What does it mean? I mean complacent. Complacent means self-satisfied or smug. So 95 is D. Now let's see question number 96. What is deceptive about a snake? A. Speed. No. B. Crawling. C. Sense of direction. D. Movement. So it's crawling. So 96. It's not crawling. Just a second. On a surface which is free from obstacles such as a clear road, only two or three species of snakes can hope to catch up with a human being, even if they are foolish to try. A snake seems to move very fast, but its movements are deceptive, right? So answer is D. 96th is D. Now question number 97. The snakes have an advantage over man inside the jungle because they're so just because of thorny things we cannot move fast, right? So it can be an obstacle for us. So let's see A. It can crawl faster. No. B. Man's movement is obstructed. Yes. C. It is dark. No. It gets advance warning. No. B. Man's movement is obstructed just because of the thorns. Now question number 98. What helps the snakes to receive advance warning in their sensitive too? So it is very clear that they don't have ears, but they have an advantage there. It's just because of movement. So just because of that movement, they get vibration. So A is light, B smell, C sound, D movement. So D is the correct option. Just because of the movement, they get vibration. Now question number 99. The speed at which a snake normally moves is, so even this can be found here in the passage itself. It is a direct passage and an easy one. So less than that of man. A. Now question number 100. A snake seems to move very fast. Implies that. A snake seems to move very fast implies that A. They move very fast. B. They do not really move fast. C. They move faster than men. D. They move fast only in jungles. So seems make us understand that it should be B. They do not really move fast.